Tim and Fuzz have taken on a 1988 Toyota MR2, a car which doesn't look too bad at first glance. Unfortunately, on the second glance, it does.
Some parts are in really good condition, and other parts are pretty poor. Like that seat's pretty knackered, isn't it? I mean, 90,000 miles. You know, I haven't seen rips in a seat like that there before.
And the other thing is, we've not even really addressed any of the running units. So the engine we haven't looked at yet.
Well, shall we try and start it?
Yeah, why not? OK, let's switch it on. Let's see. Is the battery connected now? OK, right, OK. So. Oh, wait a minute, hold on.
Hey! What? Yes, please.
Hold on.
Hang on, what?
Hold on, let me get my foot on the accelerator, see if we can keep it going. So we've got an engine that starts but runs for literally seconds.
We've got dented wings, we've got a dodgy rear quarter, we've got a dodgy bumper and something going on with the engine. What's happened to this car and what are they trying to hide?